Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss a new term K-shaped recovery. So first we know what is K-shaped recovery. If you like the channel or video, please subscribe and share with your friends. A K-shaped recovery is a situation where after an economic crisis, different sectors, industries, or income groups recover at different speeds. Some grow rapidly while others continue to decline or stagnate. So it shows the different type of recoveries for different sectors. It also shows the decline of the some sectors or stagnation of the some industries. So the letter K shows this clearly. Upper arm of K. When you write K, the upper arm of K states that groups that recover fast and become richer. So upper arm of K indicates the fast recovery and becoming richer group of the industries. Lower arm of K, it shows the groups that struggle or become poorer. So the economy recovers, but not equally for everyone. So all industries don't recover in same manner. How K-shaped recovery works step by step, we will know. First, economic shock occurs, for example, during COVID-19, global recession and financial crisis. Second, policy support and market forces intervene, like stimulus, liquidity, digitalization, etc. Third is uneven recovery begins. Some sectors benefit, others fail to catch up. Examples of case-shaped recovery in Indian context. Sectors on the upper arm who are known as winners are IT and software services, digital platforms and e-commerce, stock market and financial assets, large corporations, high skilled salaried workers are in the upper arms. These sectors adapted quickly using technology, capital and global demand. Sectors on the lower arm who are known as losers. Informal sector, MSMEs, daily wage workers, small traders, contact intensive services like tourism, hospitality. These groups lack capital, job security, and digital access. So they suffered, they become losers. K-shaped recovery versus other recoveries. There are other types of recoveries, although we will discuss them in other videos. So type shape meaning we will discuss. V shape is the fast fall, fast recovery. Both fall is also fast and recovery is also fast. U-shaped slow recovery. Shaped double dip recession. K-shaped is unequal recovery and high recovery also. Why K-shaped recovery is a problem? Because there is rising inequality, rich get richer, poor struggle to recover. Second, jobless growth, GDP rises, employment does not. Informal workers excluded. Third is social and economic instability, higher poverty, increased rural-urban divide, role of government and RBI during K-shaped recovery, helpful measures, capital expenditure helps, digital infrastructure development helps, liquidity support to banks helps, but there is gaps. Weak support for informal sector, delayed wage payments, limited social security. K-shaped recovery, in one line we can say that K-shaped recovery refers to an uneven economic recovery where some sectors or income groups recover strongly while others continue to decline, increasing inequality.